the fuck invited mister? I don't give a fuck who cries about his daddy in a blog because his music sucked.
I did.
Well, you fucking up, and truthfully, I had enough, and fuck rolling papers. I'm a rebel, bitch, I'm ashing blunts. Sorry, full of shit like I ate that John. Come on, kids, fuck that class and hit that bomb. Let's buy guns and kill those kids with dads and mom, with nice homes, 401ks, and nice-ass lawns. Those privileged fucks gotta learn that we ain't taking no shit. Like Ellen DeGeneres, clitoris is playing with dick. I'm jealous as shit, cause I ain't got no home meal to come to. So if you do, I'm throwing fingers out screaming, fuck you. I got 10 of these Kennedys, not Dom, but if I was a Dom, I would be Jeffrey. Green hat the color of a leprechaun with leprosy. I'm fucking bout it like a Master P in 96. It's fucking immaculate the way your daughter smacking dicks and watching